Hi Eric, this is a brief tutorial video for Saramana Business Products on how to use the new PCS Director Machines and Field Sales Strategy. The PCS Director ROI Calculator is the most effective sales tool in showing the value of a print management strategy to your clients. By filling in the variable columns with information based on their print environment, you'll be able to show how rules-based printing will save them thousands of dollars per month and pay for itself within a matter of months. The first pieces of variable information you'll want to include are the total pages and unmanaged pages section. You'll get this information by running a PCS Director Assessor or any assessment tool for your particular environment. For this example, I will be using a firm of 25 employees and 25 licenses, which had a total volumes of 20,500 in total sheets done per month, with unmanaged pages at around 13,000. The unmanaged pages refers to any print jobs that are going to laserjet, inkjet devices, or a higher cost per page device. Next, you'll want to include the percentage of color printing being done in this environment, and for this example, and for most, is around 20%. Next, including information on the cost per page for black and white and color for the MFPs. For this example, it is 1 cent and around 8 cents for color, as well as the laserjet inkjet devices, or the high cost per page estimates for black and white and color, at around 4.5 cents for black and white and 13 cents for color. This is going to provide us with a variance between the two device groupings, with the MFPs having a total cost per page on the total volumes of around 2.4 cents and the laserjet inkjet devices at around 6.2 cents. This is taking into consideration that 20% of their printing is done with color. The cost reduction impact section allows you to quantify dollar savings by introducing rules-based printing. Migrated volume saving refers to introducing a rule that migrates large print jobs, such as more than 4 pages, to more efficient devices such as the MFPs. While 70% of all print jobs are under 3 pages, this only accounts for around 15% of total volume. 30% of all print jobs are over 3 pages, but actually accounts for 85% of the total print volume. So even by migrating 5 to 10% of the total print jobs, we'll actually be able to migrate around 60% of the total volumes. This refers to migrating these unmanaged pages away from the higher cost per page devices. And by putting in an impact percent of 60, we see that we'll be able to save this company around $300 per month or $3,500 per year just by the variance in the cost per page of the different devices. Migrate color volume savings refers to migrating any jobs with color, again, to that more efficient device. Duplex savings refers to enforcing a duplexing green initiative, or by printing all print jobs from Outlook or Internet Explorer on both sides of the page. By putting in this kind of rule, we typically see an effect of around 30 to 40% of the overall print jobs being printed out on both sides of the page. Attrition savings refers to a reduction in unnecessary printing or unclaimed output. This refers to all pages that are typically found in the recycle bin at the end of the week suddenly disappearing. This is usually a figure of around 5 to 20%, and for this example, we'll conservatively put it around 10%. By putting in these impact percentages, we can see that by introducing just a few simple rules to this environment of only 25 users, they'll have the ability to save over $400 per month and almost $5,000 per year on their overall print expenditures. The Machines and Field ROI Calculator also provides quantifiable savings in the environmental footprint this firm leaves behind. By duplexing 30% of their print jobs and by reducing their wasteful printing by 10%, this firm will reduce the amount of paper they use by 5,100 sheets per month and 61,000 sheets per year. This ROI calculator translates that into saving 7 trees per year and having a CO2 offset of around 1,400 pounds per year. This CO2 offset is the equivalent of driving around 1,385 miles this year. Machines and Field spreadsheet summarizes this information at the bottom within a return on investment figure. For the 25 licenses, a PCS Director Rules and Analysis is $2,330. And because this firm will be saving $4,800, this has a return on investment within 5.27 months. Typically what we find is with larger environments, this will be much less at around 2 to 4 months. But even with this time frame here, we take it one further with a guarantee. Any purchaser of PCS Director has a guarantee that they will receive 100% return on their investment within 1 year, or we will refund their purchase up to MSRP. If you have any questions on the Machines and Field ROI Calculator or any PCS Director product, please feel free to contact me at the following information. Have a great day.